Hi guys, welcome to my channel Visual Nexus. And our today topic is how to make gradients text in Illustrator. So, without wasting any time, let's get started. So I have already written some text here so that I may not waste your time. As you can see, I am applying gradients on text, but it's not working. No matter how hard I try, this text is not taking the gradient. So on this we have gone every mind. Then how do we give gradient on it? So listen carefully what we have to do here. So, select the text, choose it fill to none. Then go window and choose appearance. Here appearance tab open up and then simply click on add new fill. And close this tab. And just open gradient text again. As you can see now text are taking the gradients. And now it color whatever you want. Now your problem has been solved. You can skip this video now, or you want it to watch till the end, it all upon you. But don't forget to write a comment about this video, write your suggestion, or ideas, whatever you want to. You want to abuse me, please do, but write a comment. I hope you guys really enjoyed the video and like. Goodbye and see you in next video.